In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a QR code in LinkedIn. If you want to quickly connect with someone on LinkedIn without searching for their profile manually, the QR code feature is one of the easiest ways to do it. It's built directly into the LinkedIn mobile app, so the process is fast and convenient, especially when you're networking in person, at events, or during meetings. To get started, make sure you're using the LinkedIn mobile app, since this feature is designed for mobile and won't work the same way on desktop. Once you have the app open, look at the top of your screen and tap the search bar. This is the same area you'd normally use to search for people, jobs, or companies, but it also gives you access to LinkedIn's QR code tools. After tapping the search bar, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small QR code icon there. Tap that icon to open the QR code section. This area usually includes options related to both sharing and scanning, so if you see more than one tab, that's completely normal. Next, select the Scan tab. This switches LinkedIn from showing your own QR code to using your phone's camera to read someone else's code. If this is your first time using the feature, the app may ask for camera access. If that happens, allow permission so LinkedIn can scan the code properly. Now simply point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. Try to hold your phone steady and make sure the code is clearly visible on your screen. Good lighting can also help the camera recognize it more quickly. In most cases, LinkedIn will detect the code automatically after a moment and take you directly to the related profile or LinkedIn page. That's really all there is to it. It's a simple feature, but it can save time and make connecting with people much smoother. If the scan doesn't work right away, just adjust the distance slightly and make sure the code isn't blurry or cut off. And that's how to scan a QR code in LinkedIn.